Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can apply data validation on a column, and you can apply data validation on a range considering multiple columns or rows. So you can apply data validation on ranges. But I will show you an example where you will apply data validation on column A in this sheet. So let's say this is the sheet that a user puts data on it and enter the records here. Like enter the records here, toys, and it's toys, and it enters the data here. So I want so but I want to make sure that in this column A, it should have a drop down with data validation. So the user should select one of the items from the drop down. How can we do that? It's very simple. So I have another sheet named mappings. Here I written down the data validation data that will be used in sheet 1 column A. So now how we can put the data validation? So it's very simple. You go to data, then you go to data validation. Then you add a rule. You first add a rule and apply. You select apply to the range. You select sheet 1. This is the sheet 1 name, and the range is A till A. So A colon A. Let me colon A. Let me check if this is colon. Yes, it's so A column A. Then you have a criteria. You can either choose drop down or drop down from a range. You can in drop down you could manually enter your options here. Books, books, newspapers, like that. You can see the red ones are removed from books. The red highlight uh, on the corner of the cell is removed where there is books or newspapers. And you can also choose drop down from a range. We will select drop down from a range and then go to the sheet where there is a range of data. So this is the data range that I want to. So let's select a data range, and that is this to this. We can select the whole column as a criteria for a drop down from a range. I just selected it, and I will just click the done. And then if you go to sheet 1, you could see there is a drop down in all of the A column or rows or cells. So and in the drop down there is a fixed number of values that you can choose from. So this is you can see you can only choose Xbox games, toys, newspapers, books. Another thing, if you go to here to the rule, you can go to advanced options, and in the advanced options you can change the display style from chip to arrow, uh, which I think looks better. And you can reject the input in the future cells if it is not, if the person tries to enter value other than the value from a data range, from a data validation range, from this range. If a person tries to enter any value other than this, let's show you an example. I selected if the data is invalid, reject the input, done. Let's try to enter something other than that. But when I will enter that, it won't allow me to enter because the data that you entered in cell A15 violates the data validation rules set. So it won't allow me to enter the invalid data. So you always have to choose from the data validated inputs. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to bring more videos to you to in on Google Sheets and on other topics. Thank you.